The new Fiat Pulse is already in the brand's 521 dealerships in Brazil. With prices starting at 79,990 Real, the SUV, designed and produced in Brazil, surprised by its competitive price. After all, it has been rare to see an SUV below 100,000 Real nowadays. Although Fiat talks about 18 rivals, its biggest competitor will be the Volkswagen Nivus. And in the near future, other rivals will appear, like the new Citroën C3, for example. The Fiat brand has been on fire in the South American market with products like the Strada subcompact pickup, Toro compact pickup, and Argo subcompact hatchback. Now, the LATAM part of the Italian marque is about to release another hit with the Fiat Pulse subcompact crossover SUV. The Pulse is the brand's first SUV fully created, developed and produced at the Betim Automotive Pole MG. It also allows Fiat to compete in the B SUV segment, one of the fastest growing segments in South America. Starting with a blank sheet and listening carefully to its consumer bases, the Pulse was designed to express an attractive, modern design, highlighting robustness and technological elements at any angle. The Pulse looks like a lifted, more aggressive and taller hatchback. Its wide front grille features the Fiat brand's new logo script with a Fiat flag in the lower right corner, a reminder of the Italian roots of the model designed by and for Brazilians. The Pulse features LED headlamps that give the B SUV an expression of confidence while demonstrating the technology present inside and outside the vehicle. Its muscular stance from the side, with large fender arches and a longitudinal rack on the roof, the Pulse's profile a unique and distinctive look. In the rear, the 3D LED tail lamps are inspired by floating blades. The LEDs are positioned to optimize the vehicle's presence to other drivers while delivering a signature Fiat look to the vehicle. A unique rear bumper unites functionality with form as the design optimizes the Pulse departure angle, proving this vehicle is more SUV-like than a standard hatchback. Although the Pulse was completely designed in Brazil, there is no doubt that Fiat's Italian style influences the interior theme. With a completely new interior design receives silver and grey tones with different elements, bringing the same modernity expected in an SUV. The interior pieces uses a mix of textures that are pleasant to touch thanks to soft materials throughout. The new knitted or synthetic leather seats feature exposed stitching in an enveloping design. The gear shift knob is adorned by a discreet silver border, the same tone used around the controls of the new steering wheel, which for the first time brings the Fiat logo and allows access to various functions such as adjusting the sound, changing gears through paddle shifters or one-touch sport mode. The instrument panel IP features an all-new digital gauge cluster, a new floating screen Uconnect 5 touchscreen in either 8.4-inch or 10.1-inch configurations, and the ability to produce a 4G internet connection. Controls of the vehicle's sound system, air conditioning and controls are brought together in an intelligent integrated cluster, creating a clean look and facilitating quick access to Pulse's key features. Below it are two USB ports, one of which is Type-C, positioned just above the induction cell phone charger. Another USB connector placed between the seats allows rear seat passengers to charge their smartphones. These elements create an enveloping style in the Pulse cabin with a feeling of spaciousness, making the environment pleasant for the occupants. In the SUV, design and practicality go hand in hand, as is clear from the 18 storage compartment scattered throughout the cabin, in which total 25 liters, 1525 cubic inches of storage is offered. Priced from 79,990 Real, Fiat Pulse wants to win over SUV customers for its standard content with onboard Wi-Fi and automatic braking.